Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly, and in today's video I am doing this Coachella makeup look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Today I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette. This one right here. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm going to start by priming my eyes, but first I'm going to zoom you in, bring you a little bit closer to me. Okay. Hello guys. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay. I'm going to put more. I want this to be a very vibrant look. That's properly packed on. Set my eyes. I'm going to use this color right here. I'm just going to be using this fluffy Morphe brush. I think it's in the Rose Gold collection. To put this all over, just to set my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this color right here. It's this yellow. It's a yellow color. And I'm going to put this in my crease and above it, and like pretty far up here. Okay, next I'm actually gonna go in with my Jacqueline Hill palette, this color, this like reddish color right here. I'm going to put this in my crease. Just building this color up a lot. I want it to be very dramatic, so that's why it's kind of like messy. Because I'm just putting it in there. Like I want there to be a lot of it, you know? Really blending this color in. So I'm gonna toss some of this red in there. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease as well. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. And I'm not worried about the sides because I'm like totally gonna clean that up later. So I'm just trying to really move this color up. I'm gonna take the yellow and I'm just gonna put more of that in here as my transition color, just because it kind of faded out a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a mocha color. Put that in the crease. Just to like deepen it up, you know? It's a little bit too pink right now. I'm just gonna take a clean, this is like a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend everything together. Like now I'm going to cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to just put this right here. I'm going to take this green color from the Jacqueline Hill palette right here to put that with my finger on the cut crease. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some more Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just going to clean up the sides a little bit. Now I look crazy. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm going to use this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist that I've been really liking lately. It just makes me feel so fresh. It smells very nice. It's gonna highlight my face because I need some highlight in my life. So I'm just taking this like little Tarte brush. It's like an eyeliner brush. And I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like this brownish color. And I'm just going to dip it in there. And then I'm gonna put freckles on my face. So now I have freckles. I'm gonna like diffuse them by using just like a damp beauty blender. And now I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm just using the Double Decker Lashes by Butter London. And I'm just putting this on and letting it dry for my fake lashes that I'm gonna be putting on. So I'm gonna take these little rhinestones that I got from Walmart and I'm gonna just put them in a line down my face. There, look how cute this is. I love this. I'm gonna go put on some lashes and then I will be right back. Be right back. Okay? Okay? Okay, bye. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh my god. Everybody just calm down, please. Okay, I'm gonna put this lash on. Oh my gosh, hi. These lashes are so pretty. I feel like I'm gonna fly away with my lashes like I'm a butterfly. Oh my god, do you see this? I just pulled this like fuzz. Okay, now I'm just gonna take this brown from the Jacqueline Hill palette again, and I'm just gonna put this on my lower lash line like super tight. Just like right here. I'm gonna take my Dosa Colors, the Girls palette, and I'm gonna take Sue's. I'm just gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. Use my MAC bronzer, which is my favorite. Look how pretty it is in the color Gold Deposit. Oh yeah. Bronze up that skin, that's important when you're going to a festival. So I'm thinking about using my Lorac Flower Child lipstick. Because I kind of want to do it, you know? You know what I mean? I'm gonna do it. What do you think? So I'm just gonna use the Temptube BoxyCharm highlight that I always use, and I'm just gonna like put it right on my collarbone, just right here. And then I'm just gonna take the medium rhinestones, put them here. Okay, look how cute that looks. Oh my god, I love it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. If you're not following me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that will be linked below. And I hope you guys have a safe festival season and a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!